Hello and welcome to this tutorial on showcasing the data analytics and forecasting functionality of Query2Report software. We have two reporting use cases to demo this functionality. The first report shows a minimum and maximum temperature in a year for the city of New York over last 50 years. Let's now perform series of statistical analysis on the data. Let's first plot mean. We get a mean value of minus 10 degrees Celsius for minimum temperature and plus 30 degrees Celsius for maximum temperature. Let's now plot standard deviation. We see that most of the data points are within one standard deviation range. However, the maximum temperature has more data points outside the standard deviation range compared to the minimum temperatures. Let's now perform regression analysis of the data. We'll first plot linear regression trend line. Linear regression trend line shows an increasing trend in minimum as well as maximum temperature. Let's now plot quadratic regression trend lines. The quadratic regression trend line shows that there is an increasing trend for minimum temperature as well as maximum temperature. However, the trend line is flattening over the last few years. Let's now perform forecasting. Let's first perform forecasting using linear regression algorithm. We see that the predicted values using linear regression is around minus 7 degrees Celsius by the year 2044 for minimum temperature, whereas it's plus 30 degrees Celsius for maximum temperature. Let's now plot quadratic regression forecasted values. We see that the predicted values for minimum temperature using quadratic regression is around minus 4.6 degrees Celsius by the year 2044, whereas it's plus 28 degrees Celsius by the year 2044. Which algorithm to pick for forecasting depends on the use case and the data. The second use case that we are going to showcase is the exchange rates. The report shows Indian rupee conversion rate as well as pound conversion rate. We see that there is a steady increase in the conversion rate for Indian rupees, whereas for the pound, the conversion rates are flattening over last few years. Let's now plot forecast values using linear regression. We get a predicted value of $82 by the year 82 Indian rupees by the year 2047, whereas the pound predicted value is 0.87 by the year 2047. Let's now plot quadratic regression predicted values. The predicted values is around 150 rupees for a single dollar by 2047, whereas it is around 0.66 for pound. These are some of the functionalities offered by Query2Report application. Thanks for watching.